it is time to implement the attributes for the product model. During this class, we are going to do that, and we are going to see some specific cases for a specific attribute that a product has. So let's start. Let's go to the product model. There, we are going to use again the fillable attribute for the model and specify every one of those attributes that we are going to allow to be massively assigned. So we have a name, a description, the quantity, the status, an image, and the seller ID. The seller ID is a foreign key that we are going to use to relate this product with the user that sell this product, and the special attribute here is the status. The status for this specific RESTful API is going to have only two possible values, available or unavailable. So we need to deal with this specific attribute, being sure that every time that we establish or update or use the value of the status, we are using and obtaining the same value at all. So for this, it is a very good idea to use constants. We are going to define two constants that we are going to reference every time that we are going to specify if a product is available or is unavailable. So let's create it. So now, every time that we want to obtain the value of the status of our product, we should have reference directly to the available product or unavailable product constants. Now, it is very probable that based on this, we want to know if a product is available or not. Basically, we are going to create a method that returns if a product is available depending on the value of the status based on the available constant. So this method is going to return true only if the status of this specific product is equal to available. If not, it's going to return false. Take into account that using these constants, we are going to be able to change this value at any moment on our RESTful API without needing to change several lines in our projects, because we are going to be very careful to use every time that we need these variables or these constants, in fact, instead of these specific values. So we are done now with the product model, and see you in the next class to implement the attributes for another one. See you there.